the Home Office guidance, it looks specifically at children in respect to exceptional circumstances. What it says is that we need to look at the relevant child. The relevant child is a child that is under the age of 18 and has circumstances in respect to the applicant's case that would render a refusal decision unjustifiably harsh. There are exceptional circumstances in that case. Okay, what is advantageous about the definition of a relevant child is that we have to remember that the relevant child, the definition, does not include a child that you have parental responsibility for, neither does it include a child that is your biological child, for that matter. So this is excellent news for applicants who have overstayed in the UK, who have lived with children under the age of 18. It does not matter whether that be the relationship between the applicant and the child is probably uncle and nephew or niece and uncle. That means extended family members are included, and that you have formed a strong family bond with that child, for example, and you can prove it. Maybe it is that the child has become accustomed to living with you. Maybe it's that you're living with the child, living with your extended family members in the UK, and the child has become accustomed to everything that you do for them, whether that be personal care, whether that be the school runs, whether it be taking them for their medical checkups, and whether it be even reading bedtime stories, which create an affectionate bond. And on that basis, you will be able to apply outside the rules and be able to make an application based on, one, your Article 8 rights and the exceptional circumstance. The exceptional circumstance in this case would be the child that is under the age of 18. And you can use such circumstances, but before you do, we always have to make sure that it's exceptional. It can't be, based an application that you have a relationship with the child, you don't live with the child, you see the child every now and again. We are talking about a relationship with a child that you live with, possibly, that you've built a long-standing relationship over a number of years, and that the child has become accustomed to you. To sever such a relationship, for example, could render it unjustifiably harsh because, for example, it may have an adverse effect on the child's emotional and psychological well-being. So this is what the Home Office are looking for. This is what they're looking into. So, what we can do to help you is we can help you to make this application and to make sure we strengthen your application on all sides.